Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I know it's been like 2 weeks since I posted. I've missed everybody and I'm hopefully going to be back on track. So in today's video we are doing an unboxing of a mystery box from Pro Impressions. This video is a little extra special because we are finally doing our 200 subscriber giveaway. So when I was like thinking of prizes and stuff, I was like, I also want a mystery box. So there you go, there's one for me and then there is one for a subscriber for this giveaway. So yeah, I thought I would just do an unboxing and just see kind of see what you get. So to celebrate my 200 subscriber giveaway, and we're actually nearly at 300, so that's so exciting. I will be doing another one at 500 as well. So we are doing three like different giveaways. So we're doing an international, we're doing a UK, and we're doing a binge watch hours if you've got your own YouTube channel. So like there's plenty of giveaways to go around. So this, I obviously have bought, spoiler alert, I've bought a mystery box for one of my UK winners, and I've also added extra little goodies. So as I'm doing this voiceover, it's only just like clocked that we might get the same stuff, so hopefully it doesn't ruin the surprise, but like I said, I will be adding extra bits. So far we've had the toe separators, which were 50p, then the cuticle knife, which was £1.50, the chrome powder was £3, the scissors were £4.99, and the buffer was 60p. And then we are going into the tips, which are the square smile, and they are wellless as well, which means like you don't have to file anything down. Like they are like kind of flush, very thin, which makes it a lot easier. They were £2.99, and then this pretty heart glitter, which was £1, perfect for like Valentine's Day. So cute. I really do quite like this box. We've got like a little mixture. We've got some tools, not much nail art, but I'm not mad at it. Like I'm not. So yeah, considering I paid £25, nail primer as well. So considering I paid £25 for this box, I did tally up how much this stuff was worth, and it did come up to like £66, which is like really, really good value for money. These builder gels are £9.99. Now the builder gel that I normally use is the CJP, and I think I'm paying like £12 or £13 a bottle, maybe even 14. I'll try and get up a photo of how much I usually pay. I've never tried like this brand before, so if it is good, I'm definitely gonna buy some more, because like that's pretty decent. And also the gel polish here, these are £7.99 for a 15ml bottle. Like that's really good value for money. Again, I normally use and we've just got a no wipe top coat as well. That was £8. I'll put up on the screen. And there's me just reading. Yeah, so really, really good value for money. Like I was really surprised, and again, like I said, if the quality is really good, I'm definitely gonna buy some more. I would say this is kind of like a small mystery box. However, like I said, I did tally up on the website and it came up to like £66, which I think that's amazing. So let's go into prizes and how to enter. So for my international subscribers, I will be sending out a mystery box from a different brand, and I will leave that to a complete surprise. They do ship worldwide as well, so like we know it's gonna come to you. So and I don't have to do it anything. Like, I'm not in control. I won't mess it up, because like I'm scared to return a parcel, let alone like send someone something. So then my UK subscribers are going to get a mystery box from Pro Impressions. Hopefully it's different stuff. And then I've also added some extra goodies. Let's just name drop a little bit of glitter bells, tiny bit glitter planet, and then just some little goodies. So, and then obviously if you do have a channel, you can enter the binge watch hours giveaway as well, and I will binge watch your channel for a week. So let's get into how to enter. So first of all, you've got to like this video, and then you've got to drop me a comment saying international, or if you're from UK, say UK. And then if you do have like your own channel, add plus binge watch hours giveaway, so I can enter you in both. And then you have to be a subscriber. Doesn't matter if you're new, even if this video comes out and then like you subscribe like on this video or after, like that's fine, I can enter you. I will open this up for a week as well, so you've got a week to enter. And then for bonus entries, you can share this video on YouTube, so that will give you an extra like entry. And then also, if you've got Instagram, you can share this video on your story and then tag me, and then that will give you another one. So if you do all of that, you could have like 3 entries, which is really good. If you do just want to do the 1 entry on this video, that is fine. Like, if you don't want to be extra, that's okay. Like, don't worry about it. If you do share this video on YouTube and your Instagram story, make sure you tag me so I can like write all this shit down. Don't make me go looking, because I cannot and I will not. So make sure you tag me on your YouTube share if you have a YouTube channel, and on your Instagram story if you have Instagram, for your extra entries. Make sure you tag me, because I cannot go looking for it. I just cannot. So this is Emily, very cute. So just doing them 3 swatches of the new products. Very excited to try them out. I might use one of them on my toes, as they are like in desperate need. They're like 5 weeks old. They look crusty as hell and minging, like actually hanging. Ugh, vile. Like, I've been wearing socks for like the past week because I can't deal. I can't bear to look at it. Like, get the socks on and just don't even look, because it's minging. Can't deal. I just want to say thank you to everybody. Even if you're not a subscriber, I appreciate it if you would though. However, this is just like a hobby. I just did it to get out my comfort zone, do something different, and stay consistent with nails, because without it I've been dropping nails, trying to pick it back up and dropping it, just not been very consistent. So this has kept me consistent, which is amazing. And I just want to thank my subscribers, everyone who interacts in the comments. I just want to give back and let you know that I appreciate you for being here and putting up with me. Like, I know I'm difficult, but it's whatever. So good luck to everyone. You have a week to enter, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.